Good morning, one and all. I'm Padmavati. I'm working in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to see the topics on digital image processing. See, this 18CS741 digital image processing covers 3 COs. CO1 is nothing but defining the fundamental concepts in image processing, and CO2 covers evaluation techniques followed in image enhancements, and CO3 is nothing but various illustrations in image segmentation and various compression algorithms. Let's see what is an image. Image is a two-dimensional function. Usually signal is a one-dimensional function, whereas image is two-dimensional function. Signal you can represent in terms of f of x, whereas image you can represent in terms of f of x comma y, where your x comma y are nothing but the intensity or gray level of an image, where f represents the amplitude and x and y represents the intensity. So now we'll see what is a digital image. When you are processing an image using a digital computer, that process is called as digital image processing. Usually, the image comprises of pixels. Various names of pixels are pixels, picture elements, pels, and all. Pels is nothing but some abbreviations of picture elements. So, when I see the image at the background, we can able to identify pixels. That is, a composition of pixels consists of an image. That is, image is a composition of pixels. So here I am giving a value f of 0, 0, f of 0, 1 and f of 0 to n minus 1. That means f of 0, 0 is my 0th row, 0th column pixel. F of 0, 1 is 0th row and 1th column. F of 0, n minus 1 is 0th row and n minus 1th column. Similarly here, f of m minus 1 is a pixel which is m minus 1th row and 0th column. M minus 1 comma 1 represents m minus 1th row and first column. M minus 1 and n minus 1 are, it is m minus 1th row and n minus 1th column. Already we have discussed a digital image is composed of finite number of elements, each of which have a particular location, that is the pixel location, and each of has its particular value. And these elements are called as I have earlierly I have told, it is picture elements, image elements, pels and pixels. And pixel is the term which is used to denote the elements of digital image. That means your digital image comprised of pixels. And these are all the various steps in your digital image processing. And we are going to read it as chapter wise. First is image acquisition. Image acquisition is nothing but capturing of image. What are the various techniques you are using for capturing an image? And next is image enhancement, which is nothing but what are the enhancement process that you are increasing or decreasing your brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, those terms and all we are going to study in image enhancement. Then is image restoration. After enhancement, you have to restore the image in a particular pixel values. So that comes, those things and all comes under an image restoration. And color image processing, here we are having basic three colors of image, that is R, G and B. These are all the primary colors. So we are going to process the colors, various colors in your image. And next is wavelets and multi-resolution. Here we are having various wavelets, that is we have seen we know about a Fourier wavelets and all, that is Fourier transform and all we have seen. So discrete wavelets and similar coiflet, there are various wavelets are there. Each wavelets are having their particular particular value in leading your image. So this this comes under the wavelets. And compression is nothing but it is a process of reducing the size of the image, and we can transmit the image through various channels. Like compression plays a major role in communication process and cryptography process and all. And morphological processing is, if I want to get some image out of some particular place from an image, those things and all will comes under morphological processing. And segmentation is nothing but the object detection and segmenting means it is cutting off or taking off. So whenever you are taken out an object from its background, and that is called as segmentation. So after segmentation, how that image will be represented and how we are going to describe it, so that comes under your representation and description. And the last one is object recognition. And in object recognition, what are the objects you are going to identify finally after doing all these process. And here, one thing I want to discuss here. See, this is nothing but the human eye. And in this human eye, we are having various portion, that is blind spot, retina, sclera, choroid, ciliary body, lens, and anterior chamber, cornea, iris, ciliary muscles, fibers, virtual axis, vitreous chamber, and fovea. Everything is there. But lens plays a major role here. Whenever we see an image, suppose if I'm looking my laptop, so the image what is at the background is, it's nothing but the inverted of the original image. So this is my original image, and that image will be inverted at its backside. So this is about uh, the various steps in digital image processing and how the image can be recognized through our human eye. Thank you all.